So let me show you how to remove or delete fingerprint data or a fingerprint on your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So you want to remove a certain fingerprint so that that fingerprint is not able to unlock the phone. So the first thing is to obviously unlock the phone and then go to settings. Now on the main settings page, scroll down to lock screen and always on display, tap on that, and then go to screen lock and biometrics, tap on that. It's going to ask for your current password, PIN or pattern. Once you enter that, then you will see fingerprints. So tap on that and you can see we have this fingerprint. It's called fingerprint 1 by default. So I'm going to tap on that and then tap on remove in the top right corner. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to remove that fingerprint, and then I'll tap on remove, and that fingerprint is going to get removed. So from now on, my phone can no longer be unlocked using a fingerprint. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.